Ye banks and braes, O bonny Doon, how can ye bloom sae fresh and fair? How can ye chant, ye little birds, and I sae weary folk here? Ye'll break my heart, the warbling bird that wantons through the flowery thorn. Reminds me o' the parted joys, the parted never to return. Of day I rode by bonny Doon to see the rose and woodbine twine, and ilka bird sang o' its love, and fondly said I, O mine. With some help I put a rose for sweet upon his thorny tree, but my false lover stole